Hi there everyone. In today's video, it's gonna be a really shorter one, but I wanted to showcase how with an extension of Xbox Bar called Suspended and Time. Basically, you can suspend any game you want to basically spare CPU and CPU and GPU in your games. I tried this one with many games like Don't Starve Together, Terraria, Atlas, Left 4 Dead 2. And the only game that doesn't work so far to me it's Friends versus Friends, probably because it doesn't support for the anti-cheat. But yeah, it's fairly simple. Like you start the game like so. You see the usage of the CPU and GPU, which I don't understand why is at 100%. It's for the FPS of the FPS stupid FPS usage of Left 4 Dead 2. As you can see now, it's lower. And basically, you just want to pause the game. It will not require anything else. And you just click on it, and it is suspended. As you can see, the CPU and GPU dropped. The VRAM can't be dropped because it will save your game in the RAM. This extension is called Suspend and Time. To get it, just go to the widget store. Just go a little on the bottom side of things, so you should find it easily. Here it is. And as the details said, it's basically the same thing I show you. You just install it, and that's pretty much it. You have it on your Windows Gamebar. In case the game in case the game seems stuck, it's actually no. If you don't want to have the issue of not be able to drop it, just drop it before and then suspend. You can do other stuff, and that's pretty much it. Not gonna lie, and that's why I said it was shorter. Hope this kind of discovery was helpful for you. For me, generally, it worked for all the games I played. And thank you for watching. See you in the next video, which it will be another one pretty short. And take care. See ya.